This is absolutely crazy. I mean, Sandbox right now is up 11% in the last hour. Together with MINA, it's also up 10.5% in the last hour. Ladies and gentlemen, I have seen gains this crypto market. The gains have been crazy this crypto market, but the numbers that Sandbox and MINA are pulling right now are just astronomical. I have to give it to you. These are astronomical numbers. And I'm saying one thing and one thing only. The gaming, right? The whole gaming metaverse narrative seems to right now be coming back. A lot of coins in that nature are starting to feel themselves a little bit again, and it feels as if AI and gaming, and I guess metaverse, all the last cycle winners are starting to make a comeback. With first, we had our OG coins, XRP, XLM, HBAR, Quant, VeChain, just the top bangers of the last cycles, multiple even, with all of a sudden a little replacement, a role shift, right? Back to coins in the gaming sector. Tezos up like crazy, MINA up like crazy, Sandbox up like crazy. And right now, I've been scouting around. Is there any news? There doesn't really seem to be any, right? Did you know Asset here says also simply, OG plays, nothing more. It's just the favorites of the previous bull run going absolutely nutty, but nutty by a degree that I've not seen in a while, right? Just absolutely ridiculous. But that brings up one very important point, and that is that you have to understand that what we are seeing is literally mimicking the 2021 cycle. And for that reason, it becomes easier and easier now to look at the top crypto list and see what the next coins are going to be. As at this point, all the hype, all the money is flowing to whatever has already worked. So if right now gaming is extremely undervalued, well, we know, I'm still lagging a little bit, but hey, we know that gaming worked beautifully last run. We can buy those dips. AI worked beautifully last run. We might as well buy those freaking dips. Then again, why I'll get to in just a second. Make sure you go ahead and press the like button in this video if you're enjoying it. And if you want to trade crypto like we are doing, make sure you check out the link down below to 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏. Right now, we're trading almost every single thing and it's working splendidly. Look at the gains on Cardano right now. Look at all the gains everywhere. Dogecoin is going absolutely nuts. Actually, Dogecoin is going absolutely nuts. But also, like I was trying to say, on 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏, right now, we've got a juicy competition where the more you trade, the more you get in terms of rewards, but also a team competition. So the more people that join, the more of a chance we've got to win. What I was trying to say, though, is that AI coins were actually winners earlier this year, like in the 2024 cycle. I wouldn't necessarily say that AI coins were that hot back in the 2021 run. And that makes me realize that right now, literally every hyped up thing with not necessarily fundamentals, but just every hyped up thing that there were whole cults for that people would go to war for, AI coins never really had that because they're a lot newer for the most part, but all those coins have just been popping off. I'm saying right now, as long as Bitcoin doesn't kick the bucket, these will just keep super cycling, keep going crazier. I mean, XLM is at freaking 58 cents. Can you believe that? And so from that perspective, going up like 15% in an hour, 13% in an hour, it's really not that odd because Bitcoin keeps pushing through and people are just going for whatever is next that they've kind of forgotten about. Again, look at this. This is a gaming wave after the payment wave. Can you see that? So just now was XRP, XLM, HBAR, all those, right? All of a sudden right now, it's Sandbox, MINA, XE, and Gala actually too. It just seems all these coins in the gaming sector right now, and I mean, again, when I say all, I just mean the most popular ones. There's still a lot of coins in this list that are not going just on a crazy run. Even Beam, which used to be popular for it, is not going. But you can see here at the top, right? IMX right now going wild. Sandbox going absolutely wild. Gala going good. going Gala. MINA Decentraland going absolutely crushing it. XE absolutely crushing it. All the best contenders of the last cycle. And if we scroll down further, it skips a few, sure. But generally speaking here, you can see what I'm seeing, right? All these are up 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, 15, 20, 20, 20, whatever, 20%. For some reason, it's gone from mostly the payment type of coins and things of that nature, mostly to gaming coins all of a sudden. And it seems that it's literally going on a tangent right now, on a crazy, crazy run here. I'm just looking at the numbers. They speak for themselves. So perhaps this is finally where a lot of movement is starting that we've all been waiting for. The shift from Bitcoin to alts, but more importantly, where these sectors become more predictable. For months now, I've been saying, guys, I don't know what the next big sectors for the bull market are gonna be. All I know is meme coins and probably AI. But real world assets, we put it to the side because it's not showing its strength. Right now, AI, gaming, payments, nothing was really showing strength. But over the last 2 weeks, payments right now and things of that sort really shine through. RWA, we had a few bangers like OM, but it was medium, right? All of a sudden now, though, gaming showing crazy strength. If this sets through for a little bit, we know that this will most likely play such a pivotal or more pivotal role in the next bull market that we can start speculating on the smaller coins in that niche. Again, we're not trying to make the crazy amounts of money with coins that are already in the billions of market cap, right? We can make a lot of money, sure, but we're talking about what sector is going to pop off so we can buy small coins in that sector and make the 100x, 1000x gains, etc., etc. Now, again, for Sandbox and MANA though, with the way they're going right now, I'm just telling you, this can sit on for a while. Just like how XLM, HBAR, and all those had been going crazy after going crazy after going crazy. And again, cycle-wise, we're not that far in. We've got multiple months of crazy gains to come. I will warn you, though, that it's up 75% in a day. That's a lot. That's a whole bunch. But over a longer period of time, these coins will most likely just keep outperforming because right now they're down still like 90% from their all-time highs. This little pump here, most people are not really happy to sell, I think, because we're like nowhere just quite yet. But I'm just happy to see it, man. A lot of my friends have been holding Sandbox for a good while. It was one of the best contenders for a long time. And all of a sudden, it tripled in like nothingness. But again, for the grand scheme of things, Sandbox is nowhere yet, right? We've still got like a 10x to go just to get towards all-time high levels. And then from there, it has to start going on a crazy run. So again, am I really that excited about Sandbox? Well, a little bit because it's starting to make moves, but it's nowhere near the hype that it had previously. Even volume-wise, it's nowhere close to what we saw at those times. So again, I'm still very, very conservative, very on the low here saying, hey, this is nice to see, but there's still crazy gains to come if this bull market sets through, which we're obviously all expecting. And perhaps this is also the moment where we see now that some of the attention shifts back from some of the top contenders to more specifically sectors per time, which in this case here could be gaming. I would have expected AVAX to start going on a run there also because of it. It didn't though. So it's not only gaming, but generally speaking though, those coins are at the top right now. So it's an interesting cycle that we're witnessing here. I'll keep you guys up to date if I find anything else though. But I think you guys will agree with me, right? That if we're looking at all these other sectors, I mean, they're okay, but AI and gaming usually always tend to go in like a similar fashion. Maybe I'm drawing the line too short in the sense that right now, because Bitcoin's going up, every coin is going up, not specifically gaming, so we shouldn't even look at it into that far. I'm just saying though that the top contenders are both gaming coins and they just keep on going. I don't know, man. Maybe there's more going on than meets the eye because there's no real crazy announcements for them. You might say, oh, Dusty, but. If I don't see the announcement everywhere, then it doesn't warrant an 80% price pump in a day or like 20% in an hour. This is just hype. People are getting hyped up again about these older projects. And again, they're nowhere near all-time highs, so the gains can continue on for a while, which make me even more excited. But yeah, if you haven't done it yet, make sure you press the like button. Just give you guys a quick little update on everything. And I'll see y'all tomorrow again, another crypto update. So make sure you put the notification bell on so you never miss out on any cool crypto update.